Hi, Craig here. So today I am working on a 215. We just had some problems with the batteries. The connections were loose. The machine's complaint was that it's slow to start and it's cranking over slowly. So now we're going to have to jump start it. And I want to go over the correct process for jump starting. Now I don't have another machine to jump start from, but we're going to assume this battery's in the other machine. So one of the things that we have to really pay attention to in our trade, I'll just bring this closer so you can see, these connections here are threaded connections. So they're not the typical battery post that has a big lug on top. If I was to take a jumper cable or a charger and put it on there, it could likely arc on those threads and you'd no longer be able to tie anything onto it or use the thread because it'll be damaged. So what I do is I just put on a 3/8 nut here, and I've got couple wrenches, and I tighten them down. This one needs to be tightened down like so. So now those are tightened down on there. When I put my jumper cable on there, it will go onto the nuts, and the nuts are on the threads to protect them. So that's kind of the point of what we want to do here. So one of the things that we have to understand is hooking up a battery can be dangerous. So safety precautions should be taken. So I have my helmet. I'm going to wear it and put it on in a second here, but I want to go over the process of putting the jumper cables on. So the first thing we do is we put the hot, or the red, the positive. This is a negative ground machines. I know that, I've checked it out. You take the positive and you put it on the battery of the jumper vehicle. Then you take the positive and you put it on the battery of the vehicle to be jumped. Okay, now back to the negative side. We're going to put the negative lead on the jumper battery. And then the most important thing here is not to put the negative lead on the battery. There could be hydrogen gas over here. And if I was to touch this negative lead, it could make a spark, and then this would blow up. Hence why I have a face shield. But I'm hoping that I don't have to use that today. Just by going and finding another ground. There's a ground here. I'm going to take this ground because it's a nice big ground. This machine is ready to be jump started now, so I'll just review that. We started with the battery that were from the jumper vehicle, positive on the jumper vehicle battery, then positive on the battery to be jumped, then negative on the good battery, and then to the frame or the engine ground here. Now we're ready to give this thing a start. If there's any hydrogen gas, there will be no sparks, and everything is safe. So we'll go try that now.